We had some amazing biryani at the Bahubali Biryani House in Surrey BC. We tried the Hyderabadi Biryani and a few other dishes. Let's go in and I'm going to show you what all we ordered. It's a very modern interior decoration with vibrant colors, and so also their chandeliers and their seating arrangements. It was a Saturday night and we reached the restaurant at 8 p.m. And before you know it, all the empty seats were filled up and there were people waiting outside in a line. Now take off Joelle. There she done the music. This is chicken seek kebabs. With a green chutney. And it's come on a sizzling hot plate. Are you doing?
Yes.
Let's taste the chicken seek kebab. Take some of the salad. It's very nice with the chutney. It's very nice with the chutney. This is the paneer kadai masala. Just stir it with a spoon. Paneer kadai masala. It's quite a large dish in portions. A huge Romali roti. Tasting the kadai paneer masala. This is Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. The family pack is quite huge. I definitely recommend this biryani. I have to come back again for some more.
Thank you.
It comes with a salad and with yogurt. The goat dum biryani is very tasty. We were 4 adults and we couldn't finish the biryani. I was happy to pack and bring home.